Welcome. If you want to get Netflix on your Huawei smartphone without Google services, I'm going to show you a really easy way how you can get it. So we need to get the second smartphone with the Play Store and download right here the Netflix application and also the phone clone application to transfer data. On the Huawei smartphone you got this application as default, so I'm going to open it on both smartphones. Here we got the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, and right here I got the Huawei P30 Pro. Select this is the old phone on the smartphone with the Google Play Store, and this is the new phone on your smartphone without the Google services. Right now we have to select the old phone type. In my case it was the Huawei, and right now we got two ways to connect. We can scan the code, and also we can input the password manually. So we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code, so put it like that. And right now they are connecting, so we have to wait. Right now just unselect all, scroll down, enter apps and data, you have to click right here on this marker. And right now we have to find your application that you want to transfer. Of course we are going for the Netflix, and here it is. So select, click OK, tap transfer, click OK and input your log method. In my case it was the simple pattern, and it's almost finished. So right now just click here, click OK, and right now we can try if it's working. Okay, click OK and try to open it one more time. And as you can see right now it is working. We can get started and also just log in or just sync in to our account. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.